Can one internet connection really change your life? The answer is simply yes, but many of us don't know the formula or simply say how to do it. Internet is something that, of course bro, I don't need to explain you. I'm here to tell you that how one internet connection can really change your life. But before that, you need to understand why internet itself won't let you change. So there are major reasons that are involved, but there are only few causes that won't let you succeed. Distractions. Distractions are major contributors for big failure, but many of us deep inside know that we are wasting the power of internet, but still we do that. So what to do now? So please listen closely and understand what I am saying. Firstly, when we try to do something new, it's of course very hard to understand because the concept or the core of the what we are learning is very hard to understand. So after some time, our brain realizes that we are wasting some time. So after that, we spend time on what we like. Our brain subconsciously tell us that yes, you need to do that, and then the real game starts. Because we like such things, the subconscious mind tell us to do that things more, and that's the point that we are stuck to the loop, and that's the trigger point of the failure. Even still, many of us has better equipments, better things, even so we fail. If we have better facilities, we need to just focus. To that question, the simply answer is no. Focus can lead to blindness. Many of us in search of success always try to learn new things, and watching others to succeed in the same category makes us inspired, and for that taste of success we become blind man, and that blindness can lead us to do anything, and that's the point. Having only focus with no aim, no goal can lead you to the world of dark void, just like the blindness. I mean to say is that only focusing on the other success cannot make you successful. You need to build that idea and apply to that the vision you have. Frankly say, if you don't have any idea, then your car is only running on dreams. If you have built that idea, then for sure you can lead yourself to the success. And remember, ideas are only just like tracks, and focus is just like a car. If you have focus in your life, then the car never fall or the car will never stop. So focus eventually lead you to success. So again remember, focus can only work if you have track or ideas. Otherwise, focus will lead you to the blindness. But still, to make that idea stronger and unique, you need to work. And here we start. How can one internet connection can really change your life? So firstly, we only need the one internet connection. Other facilities are only distractions. And for making our path successful, we only need to understand our interest. Finding your interest. If we love something, we of course do it like, was that actually a big deal? So let's take an example, how to find your own interest. If you are doing something, you are only working for the money, or maybe it's your passion or a dream work. So finding your interest is way too simple. In my case, I like how to do editing, and here we go. I go online and find how to earn from that. So of course, if you like to share some knowledge, you can do YouTube and monetize your knowledge, and with that you can monetize anything. With writing only a one page, you can opt a blog article. From that blog article, you can generate a ton of money. So guys, you need to just understand yourself and know what you guys like. If you find that, you got your idea, and that idea can be result to a big success. And from that we comes to our second point, research. Now guys, this is big deal. Research is crucial for any purpose. It is simply just like a universal key for any locks. So from research, you can create your idea into reality. Or if you don't have any idea, you can just simply create your own golden idea. Now in today's world, we have so-called AI, which can work just like a partner, which don't even ask you for a pay. So for beginner to intermediate level, you can do that from AI. And for high creativity and research work, you can use AI and your own mind, which means research can be done for the start part and for the end part. For example, I like to start a dropshipping business, but don't know what is actually a dropshipping. So in that case, research will come to the fight. I can simply find what dropshipping is, how to do it, and how to generate money from that. And from that, it will help you to generate a lot of knowledge and a clear roadmap what to do next. So from that, research can make your work stand out in the audience. And bad research. So from these points, you guys understand how to create your idea or how to make your idea into reality. Third, planning. It might feel simple, but it is not that easy, because planning can lead you to failure. It's because we decide our roadmap in advance, and only one small thing can lead to the failure. So again, internet will come to the fight. Which said that you are still watching here because you have plans. Planning through internet helps to set your ideas to the success, or simply say gaining knowledge of every aspect, which means planning is just only understanding everything of what you are doing, and if you gain that knowledge, you can create any roadmap and make wonders from that. So you have your idea and your smart roadmap, which lead us to the next point: execution. And that's the hardest part, because in this you will experience most of the emotions, which may cause some demotivation and eventually to failure. Execution is the part in which you start your work into reality, or simply say you convert your idea into reality. And for that, of course, the process is not going to be easy. But again, internet is something that can make hard thing look easy. When you start something, it may cause you some hardness. Like if I want to create a new course, it might cause me some hardness, but internet can resolve. I just need to overcome that hardness from the internet. I need to search and figure out what is going wrong, and here we go. I got my answers, and from that I can resolve my problem. If you find the way, you can easily overcome any hardness. Which said that I can easily create any course on my YouTube channel or anywhere else. Now you understand how to do execution, and if you face any hardness, you can overcome from the internet. Now comes to the last point: packaging. This term can confuse you, but don't worry, internet and I am here. So you've done all the steps, but the crucial part is here, because packaging is very crucial. If everything is perfect but packaging is wrong, it may lead to the failure. So what is packaging? Packaging represents your idea. To make this simple, I will use my own example. For this video, I have done my all work, like from idea, research work, execution and planning. But where is packaging? Packaging is my editing. For better understanding, I'll take your example. Suppose you write an article or a blog post for good finishing and to represent your idea very well. You make that blog article very attractive and user friendly, and from that way you can make your research, idea and your execution very well packaged, and from that people will like to see that. Well, now you understand, if someone likes your product, it will eventually give you more money than the normal work. And here we go guys, we understand internet very well. I know you guys know everything, but for direction and guidance I made it very clear, and from now on I know you will not distracted. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.